Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you top 10 unique pool gazebo design ideas and tips to transform pool into resort-style oasis. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's imagine a sun-kissed skin, the gentle murmur of water, and a cool breeze caressing your face as you relax beneath a stunning structure overlooking your shimmering pool. This idyllic scenario isn't just a daydream, it's the reality created by a thoughtfully designed pool gazebo. For discerning homeowners like yourselves, a pool gazebo transcends mere function. It becomes an architectural masterpiece, seamlessly blending form and purpose to elevate your outdoor living space. But before diving into design inspiration, let's explore the fundamentals. A pool gazebo is a covered outdoor structure situated near or directly over your pool. It provides shade, shelter, and an aesthetically pleasing focal point, transforming your pool area into a luxurious resort-style haven. Gazebos come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, offering endless possibilities to match your personal style and architectural preferences. While pergolas offer shade and a beautiful open-air aesthetic, gazebos provide additional benefits. First, enclosed space, gazebos offer walls or screens for privacy and wind protection, creating a more comfortable and intimate environment. Second, weather protection. They shield you and your furniture from rain, sun, and harsh UV rays, extending your pool season and maximizing its enjoyment. Third, versatility. Gazebos can accommodate various functions, from an outdoor dining area to a poolside lounge or even a home gym. If you think, are pool gazebos a good investment? The answer is absolutely. A well-designed pool gazebo adds significant value to your property, both aesthetically and functionally. It not only increases your usable outdoor space, but also enhances curb appeal and potential resale value. Additionally, it improves your quality of life by providing a dedicated area for relaxation, entertaining, and creating lasting memories with loved ones. What can we put in my pool gazebo? The possibilities are endless. Here are some inspiring ideas. First, outdoor living room. Create a cozy haven with comfortable seating, plush cushions, and a coffee table. Second, outdoor dining area. Host al fresco meals under the stars with a dining table, chairs, and festive lighting. Third, outdoor kitchen. Elevate your poolside experience with a built-in kitchen featuring a grill, bar area, and storage. Fourth, relaxation zone. Unwind with a hammock, chaise lounges, and a soothing water feature. Fifth, play area. Keep the kids entertained with a ping pong table, board games, or a designated play area. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 most unique pool gazebo design ideas to inspire you. 1. Rustic charm, natural wood gazebo with stone columns and thatched roof for a timeless appeal. 2. Modern marvel, sleek metal frame with retractable fabric roof for a contemporary touch. 3. Mediterranean escape, whitewashed wooden structure with arched openings and vibrant tile accents. 4. Balinese bliss, teak gazebo with open sides and flowing curtains for a tropical vibe. 5. Zen sanctuary, minimalist design with clean lines and calming water features. 6. Whimsical retreat, playful pagoda-style gazebo with colorful accents and hanging lanterns. 7. Romantic getaway, cozy octagonal gazebo with plush seating and dimmable lighting. 8. Entertaining hub, open-air gazebo with built-in bar, outdoor kitchen, and fire pit. 9. Sustainable sanctuary, eco-friendly bamboo gazebo with natural ventilation and solar-powered lighting. 10. Year-round retreat, enclosed gazebo with heating and fireplace for all-season enjoyment. Remember, when planning your pool gazebo, consider your budget, desired functionality, architectural style, and personal preferences. Seek professional guidance from architects, designers, or reputable contractors to ensure a seamless and stunning addition to your backyard oasis. Don't settle for an ordinary pool area. Invest in a pool gazebo and unlock a world of possibilities for relaxation, entertainment, and creating lasting memories with loved ones. Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for even more inspiring ideas and expert advice on crafting your dream poolside escape. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you gallery of best deck with unique pool gazebo design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.